While I'm going around there to get that level, I'll tell y'all a funny story on myself. At least I think it's funny. But you gotta promise me you won't tell 63 Impaler, because if he knew what I'm fixing to tell you, he'd think I was getting senile. But the other day I was out here doing some work over yonder. I needed to get up high so I could put some screws into something. Here y'all are looking way up in the sky. I'll stop that. So here I was, needing to get up to a high place to put some screws into something. I didn't have a ladder, so I went and got a chair. Y'all probably seen me if you've seen some of them videos. I climbed up in that chair to put them boards up. I remember thinking, dang, I wish I had a ladder. Now, the funny thing is, I have a ladder. I have 3 ladders, and they're out there in the garage, just sitting there waiting for me. But I temporarily forgot that I had a ladder, and I wound up doing this building work in a chair instead of a ladder. What I'm looking at now, I'm over here. Yes, that's what this camera does. Sometimes it'll follow me, but it loses me. So let's try it. It looks like you're still looking at me though. Okay, we'll trust the camera. Trust the process. But anyway, don't tell it to 63 Impala, because he'll be joking me about getting old and losing my facilities and stuff. I think he thinks I'm younger than I am, but he ain't. He might be, but even if he is, I don't want him to take credit for it. Just keep that to ourselves. We just keep that to ourselves. Y'all don't be telling now. I wouldn't have told you if I didn't trust you. I trust you not to give away my secrets. You don't be telling him what I said about forgetting that I had a ladder, because that would reflect negatively on my competence. Put the safety glasses on. Them safety glasses that Eric Polson gave me a while back, but I didn't. Maybe next time. Let's see if we can get y'all refocused, located. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what y'all are looking at. Let's try this. I can take this little piece that I cut it off over here and I can reattach, macate it, make me some little pieces out of that. Little pieces to join those other pieces with. Good idea not to cut your saw cord unless you work with Bill. You don't want him to make you work so hard. I did that one time. I cut my saw cord so I could get a break. Oh. Y'all are looking the other way now. Still don't tell him I did that either. Okay, I gotta keep the secret. I might be reaching the point where I'm ready to change into a different shirt when it has a higher coolness factor. Might have to collect up my other shirts, bring them around over here and set them on the John Deere tractor while I'm out here working, so that I can raise my coolness factor. The coolness factor is something that should not be underrated. Not ever.